This video is about the wise mind. The wise mind is made up of two parts. So it's our logical, thinking and rational mind. So that's when we make good decisions, we're well informed, we're logical, and it's without the emotions. Because on the other side we have the emotional mind. Now the emotional mind, it can be like hot-headedness, where we get our emotions involved, we react, we then will kind of be more in the limbic system part of the brain where we are just not making the best decisions, and we might distort facts, we might make or amplify facts, we'll do things that'll kind of support our emotional state that we're in at that moment. Whereas on the logical mind, we'll consider what are the facts, we'll be more objective, we'll be kind of a bit more critical as well, because we'll be looking at the facts and how things are. So what happens is when you get these two states, as you combine them, you get the emotional mind. So if you see it as the part where it's like your gut feelings, that kind of instinct about knowing what to do. And it's where you would consider what's best for yourself and the other person, and you'll make decisions that are better for you as well. So if you think about someone said something mean to you or upsetting, if you react in the emotional mind, you might react and say something hurtful back. If you react in the logical mind, you might think they're not a very nice person, I'm just going to keep away from them. Whereas they might be people that you need to interact with. It could be people at work. For young people, it could be other class, other peers. And so what we need to do is consider the emotional side, so we can accept that they did hurt me. What they said really hurt, and I'm offended by what they said. But then the logical side as well, about thinking, well, I know them. They're usually nice. They're okay to be around, and they would probably not mean it as in how it sounded. And so then you can take both sides and then decide what you're going to do. And then based on that, you would then go and try and solve that problem or do the thing that's best for you. So if you're working with young people, it might be about encouraging them to have good interpersonal effectiveness, where they'll be able to resolve relationship issues, be able to strengthen them and maintain their relationships based on accepting that it's okay to have these emotions and the emotional mind, to then having the logical mind and having that it's okay to have that, and then blending the two together and getting the wise mind.